Hi, welcome back to In the Garage with Parts Pro. Today we've got a special delivery from PRW, an engine test stand that we've been looking for. They sent it down to us. We're going to get it unpacked, show you what comes in the kit, and show you what you can do with this kit. Be right back. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of kit that comes with this engine test stand. So we're going to go through, usually this is the part where I go through every part and kind of show you what all we have, but today we have a special guest, Scott Stutler from PRW, who's going to go through the kit with us, show us everything that comes with it, and what you're going to get to benefit you in your next engine test.
We've got our main frame assembly, which is the main part of the kit and also the heaviest, so I'm not going to pick it up and juggle it for you. But this is actually what creates the whole engine test stand. You've got the whole main frame all put together here on the floor. Also included in the kit is PRW's polished aluminum radiator. This is a 2-row unit. You can see it's got a polished top on here. One of the neatest things about this radiator is it's got these replaceable bungs. These are a -20 O-ring fitting. Makes it a very versatile piece, so you can actually put this in the car if you decide not to put it on the test stand. Obviously, we got our casters here. These are heavy-duty casters with the urethane wheels. These make it very stable. Of course, they also have the locks on there, so whenever you're ready to fire the engine up on the stand, it's not going to go anywhere on you. Also included in the kit is this aluminum fabricated fuel cell. This mounts on the back of the stand. Also includes this D-ring fitting as well as the pickup. This is a very nice looking fabricated piece. Of course, a gauge kit comes along with the fully accessorized unit. You can see here we've got the tachometer, a variety of other gauges, as well as our dash panel here. This comes assembled and you can put it on the engine test stand, and it makes for a really nice professional installation. Also a fabricated aluminum piece is this coolant overflow tank. This mounts on the test stand and keeps from making a mess if the engine starts getting warm. We've got a variety of the brackets and accessories here. These are actually the engine test stand standoffs. This is where the actual motor mounts will bolt to. And these are adjustable. They slide up and down on the stand. Of course, these are all powder-coated steel, and they're a very thick steel. It's 8,012 steel. Also included is your full electrical accessory and hardware here. Here you've got your toggle switches for the electric fan and accessories. You can also run an electric fuel pump. The fuel pump choice, of course, is up to the end user, but we provide all the necessary electronics to get you up and running. Speaking of fans, we've also got this nice electric S-blade fan. This will help keep the thing cool, and it mounts to that radiator and makes for a very, again, a very nice, clean, professional installation.